To everyone who are watching this video. This is basically a project demo video of my chat analyzer task. So the chat analyzer is basically a RAG based chatbot which enables a chatbot on any particular website, wherein they can integrate this chatbot and basically perform some kind of sales manipulation, in the sense that we can detect the user's behavior, we can detect what is the user's intent, and based on the intent we can basically direct the user. For example, if we detect high interest or high interest, and the user is quite willing to pay for the program, then we can maneuver them towards the purchase sale. And if we detect some complaint, we can simply maneuver them towards that. So this is basically the code base of the application. Now if I run the demo file, then it will be basically show what the basic running is. Let's just go to the terminal and look at the output. So what we are doing is the user is telling, hey, tell me about your pricing, and the agent returns all the pricing. Then the user says that he wants to try the plan for his YouTube channel. So now, since the user is seems to be interested, then we know that this lead is very important for the company, and we have to track this deal down. So the agent helps it to basically buy the pro plan, and then we track all the details of the user, for example username, user email, and the platform, and then we capture this lead to our particular database. Now for the RAG, we have used our own knowledge base, which is basically a knowledge.json file, which contains the information about our company and our basically tool. So that based on this knowledge base, our RAG chatbot is basically answering all the questions. Now if I show you what the output is on the terminal, if I use the webhook of Flask. So this is basically I'm sending in the pricing command, and let's see what the output is. I'm using Open Router for the API calls because it offers the free models. So let's see, when we asked about the pricing, then it returns all the answers of the pricing. This is basically when we go to the Flask based webhook. So we can also integrate it to the WhatsApp chatbot. That's not quite difficult. All we need to do is we need to get a WhatsApp business API integration, because WhatsApp does not allow automated messages if we don't have if you are not on the business plan. So we need to go through Twilio and get our WhatsApp business API, and then we need to connect it to this particular Flask webhook, and it will be simply integrated. Using this webhook, we can have the same knowledge base, and will just run on each and every source wherein we want it to run. So this is probably it. RAG is basically the code base which is handling the RAG based retrieval, and then answering and the return of generation of answer using the LLM. Now state is what is handling the memory. I've used LangGraph for this, and it has short-term memory, wherein it has basically retains the memory to at least 5-6 turns, and I have used LangGraph for this. So that's pretty much it, and yeah, I hope you like the video. Thank you.